Good morning, today we got a brand new record that just got released, and then we ate that last month anyway. Sen in the boy band somehow bigger than we heard that the Backstreet Boys and the boys of NSYNC all wrapped into one. This is all the way from the Warner Brothers and records in the UK, of course. The name of the song is My City, of course, and then and here are the boy band, and then and get the Cold Blue. That's the artist. So what's up? Tell me what you're thinking right now. Then give us a ring. Tell me what you're thinking. But My City, by the boy band Blue. Absolutely amazing, aren't they? For those of you who live in London and have been or live outside London, the Atlee is a thing. Well, Atlee is a 40% of you said yes to this song. Come on. They pre-order right now. Their brand new studio album just got released this year, and for all you kids, and for you 90s kids out there, everyone. Now it's your chance. Get your ticket. It's online and on demand right now. See you there.